What is the meaning of this here, huh? What do we got going on? Do we got a burrito, Bales? Oh boy, it is a rainy day outside. Do you by any chance, Bales, want a couple of these yummies? Does she want yummies? No, not quite yet. Go over there, go. Good girl, Bales. You're a very good girl. Yeah, you got this butt. Bales, what are you doing in here? What were you doing in there, Bales, huh? That is not your bed. That's not a very good bed, Bales. Hey, I got a question for you. Do you want to go potty? Yeah. Bales, wait. Screw it. I'm in a mood. Bales, hold my beer. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, boy, I've never lived until now. Bales, wait. All right, let's go. You did a good job today, Bales. Okay, go get the water. Go. Get it, Bales, get it. Oh, the Bales, she loves the waters. All right, so right now I gotta quickly get ready to go because I gotta get to Delinky's house ASAP because we have something special planned for him today that he doesn't know about. And we got the cocky boy right there, check it out. The cocky boy and the cocky boy 2.0. And a cocky Bales. What's going on, cocky Bales? All right, Bales, I'm gonna have to leave you, okay? And I'm gonna leave you with a good old treat. Actually, it's really not a treat. It's your least favorite pill, but we're gonna put some peanut butter on it and it's gonna make it more enjoyable for your tasting viewing pleasure. Is she ready for the treaties? A big old glob of peanut butter. Give me paw. Give me paw. Good girl. Oh, you caught it. Luckily we got this puppy plus 10 horsepower and it's gonna get us there in speed, in fashion, and in style. Let's go. So I got my Voss hoodie on. They sent me this hoodie. It's a riding hoodie. It's got armor in it. It's pretty cool. I've showed it on the channel before, but this is the first time I've ever really needed to use it because it's been so hot here up until today. Now I haven't ridden in several weeks in California, and that's because we've been having so much fun in the dirt. But now, you know what? It's getting cold and it kind of sucks, but this hoodie so far is so good. In my town, it's a nice, bright, sunny day, and in his town, it's like a cloudy, gloomy rainstorm. What the heck, Delinky? Why don't you move to my sunny town? All right, I made it to Delinky's secret cavern. Now, I've kind of noticed that he always shows this bush wall on all of his social media, so I guess this is safe to show. So let's see if I'm late or not. Oh, dude, I'm 9 minutes early. I thought I was going to be late.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today I'm with the Kleb. How are you today, sir?
I believe I can fly.
Kleb, you know what we're going to today?
Taco Bell.
We're not going to eat tacos today. We're going to eat grinders.
You're going to eat tacos today.
You know what a grinder is?
You know what a taco is? It's what you're about to eat. So Delink keeps bragging about how we're not going to eat tacos today, and I want to prove him wrong. So I'm going to snip down some tacos and we're going to freaking eat them. We're going to eat every single one, and I'm going to laugh in his face about it because, you know, I don't like being lied to, and Delink is being a liar today. I guess we better start sniffing. We're on to something here. I'm starting to smell some tox, some juicy tox. You know what? We're going to prepare for the tox first of all. In a world full of landmines, we don't want to have any sort of risk of our front tire getting blown up. Just here for the watermelons. No big deal. Here, I'll even leave one for you. Oh my God. We got some tox. Hi, Kelsey.
What up?
Huh.
Delink. I told you.
I knew you were up to something.
I told you were eating tacos today. Seriously, Kelsey, like, how did you know to be here? I smelled the tacos from a mile away, and I just kind of sniffed you down, but
I honestly felt like you guys needed Taco Bell.
she really cares about us. She loves us.
Yeah, you know, I really felt like you needed it, you know? Here.
Luckily, he got some hot.
Thank you for your service to our country.
Mild and I got hot.
She was missing the fire. Luckily, I knew how to pick up some slack, and I got it for us.
Oh, that's not very much. Do you want more?
That's good.
I can't believe you showed up. You came in so clutch.
I know, right?
We didn't eat breakfast. We were dying. Delinky was complaining.
I haven't even eaten breakfast, but I just wanted you guys to be fed before me. Oh.
Where's your taco?
My taco, I didn't want one.
Too early for that?
born with
It's never too early for a taco. Thank you, Kelsey. Slam dunk.
High five.
I love you.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this. Kelsey is just like the best vlogger in the world. She's like, what's up, guys? It's Kelsey here, and welcome back to another Minecraft adventure. Can you give me a foot high five? Can you do one jumping jack with me? Huh. All right, Kelsey, I appreciate that. Thank you very much, and we wish you luck on your new channel, your new adventure, your new endeavor. Okay, bye. We love you. I'm just going to go with the standard Monst, the gold standard.
My standard's over there.
What's going on, man? Where are you guys going?
We're going to Wisconsin.
Did I actually just go the wrong way? Delinkus? I see no Delinks that way. There's a Delinkus. There she blows! Papa D! I think this is a there she blows type situation. The Flinder Street, the Flinder Street Cafe.
Flinders Street. What'd you think?
I really like the toothpaste and that sandwich. That's the police station right there. They're like, hey! That's a prison and a police station. Look at the guard tower. That's a savage, Linky. Tobias is gonna be right there. Oh, Tobias, what's going on? Hello, Tobias. Hello there. Because it was only a couple of hours I was gone this time. Oh, the Tobias is just gonna melt in my hand. The Tobias is so sleepy. The Tobias is so sleepy. Yeah. Are you a good girl? Are you a very good girl? What are you even doing? You're in quite a weird position, Bills. You're in one of the weirdest positions I've ever seen in my entire 92 years of life. In my entire 92 years, Bills, do you want a treat? Does she? Maybe. What time is it? It's only 2:30. It's at 2:30 Bales o'clock. Yeah. We're going to have to give you a 2:30 p.m. treat. Are you ready? Can you go and get it, Bills, get it. Get it, Bills, get it. Get you.
Bills, where's your Taco Bell Chihuahua? Go get it. Go find it. Where is it? Where's the Taco Bell Chihuahua? There it is. Give me that. Give me that back, Bears. Give me that back. Now go get it, Bears. Get it. Now give it back. Give it back, Bears. Give it back. This Bears is mine. It is mine. Ready? Oh, you broke it. You hear that? You finally broke it, Bears. Now go get it. Get it, Bears, get it!
You can just leave it unlocked when you're done, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, thanks. The maintenance guy just came and he's here to fix the hole in my wall that they left because there was a hose spigot and they had to rip it out. And there's a big old puppy hole and now people are staring at me because I'm vlogging. So right now we're heading to the post office, mainly because I want to check for some packages. It's been a while since I've checked and I'm going to be opening all the mail on this channel now. I made it clear on the Kleb main channel many times, and so if anyone's curious or confused about that, you know what? I don't care anymore because they've gotten their opportunities to figure that out. Also, check it out. We got the Benelli. All right, we're here at the puppy bad boy judicial post office. Bales, come here. You can't come. Bales, what's going on in here? Are you having a good time in the AC? You're lucky, it's hot in there. Oops. Finally, we're home. It took like 25 minutes for a drive that usually takes like 4 minutes because there's so much traffic today, because it's rush hour right now. Everybody's heading home from work, but we got a couple of packages. We're gonna be opening them up. Bess is gonna help. Ready to go inside, Bess? Let's see how good of a job he did on this wall, or if it's fixed. Wow, that was quick. Doesn't actually look very good though. Anyway, so we got this big boy and then we got a couple of little boys, and the worst part is I just got this FedEx notice on my door when I got home saying that I have another package that I have to go and pick up. Hey, Jimmy! Dear Kleb, my name is Ziva. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. And I live in Ashway, Rhode Island. Me and my dad love and watch your videos all the time. We just got something to use at the Taco Gym Association. Oh, we got a Papa Taco Jimmy gift card. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope I'm not saying your name wrong. I feel so bad if I am, but I think that I'm probably saying it right because I am a woodpecker. P.S. My dad deleted Tinder and got a Prius with a kayak rack. Your dad is a baller, and your dad is about to be on 100 dates. All right, so we've got some metallic items. What is this? Oh, no way. What is that? What is that? Is that what I think it is? Hey Papa Kleb, I've become a huge fan of your channel. I saw you had a P.O. box and I thought you could use some lit puppy boy mail. So I decided to weld you some of the most Kleb things on the channel. I made you an extra fast boy Big Bertha, a quickie Kathleen sport bike. I had to make your fast boy Prius. I think it was just too fast. The paint really didn't like me. In course, I've had thee incorporate the best association ever in the history of the future TJA sign with a screw-in sign stand. Last but not least, the lovely bales. Hope you enjoy. At Zebs_original_welding on Instagram. Wow, thank you so much, man. Let's take a look at what we got. So first off, we got this Papa Prius rocket ship. I don't even know what to say. I love, this is awesome, dude. This is so cool. Oh, we got a puppy TJA. Check it out. TJA with the bell, and it's just like a sign. This is so creative. Oh my god. And then this one, the bales, and it looks like, you know, I could be wrong, but it looks like she's pooping. She's a pooping Bales. We got a pooping Bales on the loose. Bess, come here. We gotta get you a treat. We gotta get the Bears a treat because the Bears is pooping. The Bears is pooping. Yeah, the Bears is a pooper. A Bears is a pooping Bales. And then we got the Big Berthinator 5000. Check it out. Woo! The Puppy 360 Big Berth scope. You know what? That actually really motivates me to put Big Berth back together. Big Berth is in pieces in my garage, and she's been that way for like 3 months now, and it's sad. It shouldn't be that way. I need to put her back together. I need to get her out. I need to make some more videos on the Big Bertha for the Kleb channel like everybody wants. I get so many requests for it. Man, this is so cool. Thank you so much, Zebby Poppers, for sending this in at Zebs_original_welding on Instagram. And now they're all ready for a meal at the TJA. We got the Papa Prius race car, we got the Big Berthinator 5000, and we got the Cathanationalist. We forgot the Bears. The Bears is gonna be there too, yeah. Do you want to eat this, Bears? It's you. You want to eat it? No. Alright, we got the pooping bales. And it looks like this one is gonna come from an oyster named Bob. Sorry, I'm doing the one-handed approach. Hey, Jimmy! Hello, Klebby boy. My name's Zach. I've been watching you for almost 2 years. I just recently bought a Ninja 300. It's a really cool bike, but I've always wondered what the heck is going on in your head. And by the way, I hope your wrist feels better. You have been an inspiration to me, and you're a really funny guy. Please read this in a video. It would really mean a lot. And also, Prius sucks. No offense to you, though. Your friend, Zach. Thank you, Mr. Zach. I really appreciate it. Although I do completely disagree with you, and I think that you're absolutely insane with that representation that this Papa Prius sucks. Here we are, Walgreens. Let's see if they have my package.
All right, you're good to go.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
All right, I got the package. It's kind of a big boy, way bigger than I thought, but I want to see if they have the drink that I want here. I don't see it. All right, so they didn't have the drink I want, so now I'm gonna head to the supermarket and we're gonna see if they have it there. But first, I want to see what Voss decided to send me because I don't remember asking for a helmet. But then again, I'm not the smartest rooster in Amsterdam, so chances are, well, clearly I'm wrong because there's a helmet in here. Oh, we got this America. Look at this, USA Voss helmet. What do you think, USA? America? America! I gotta scream America out the window. America! Check it out. Yeah. All right, I'm back. All right, so I've got my mug full of ice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump probably About that much full of vodka. Then I'm gonna go in with the cranberry that I just spilled. And I'm gonna put some of that in there. And then from there, I'm gonna go with the O.J. Simpson juice. And then I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit of peach for some added delicious flavor. All right, I'm gonna watch this game. Bales is gonna watch it with me, and I'll let you know how it goes at the end. We got the tie game. Bales, figure out how we can win this freaking game. Go, 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 go. Oh, we got the 3-point lead with 27.9 to go, Bales. 101 to 95 final. Seriously though, look at this stuff that I was sent. I can't get over this. All right, well, I don't know how long this video is, but I'm ready to go to bed. I'm gonna walk Bales really quick, but I'm not gonna record it because I'm done recording for the day. But with that, I wanna thank you so much for watching this whole video, and Bales and I will see you on the next one. Just kidding, we're gonna go and end it the right way.